One word from God can change your life. That's why I've stepped out in the prophetic. My name is Kevin Bridges, and you're listening to Daily Prophetic.
The Lord says, make my word your foundation. Make it the foundation of that which you do. Make it the foundation of where you go. My word is a light unto your feet. It is the security that you need. Make my word your home and take seriously the words that I speak to you. Take seriously the words that I speak from my word. For my word is like a double-edged sword. It cuts away that which is not true. It brings healing and it brings wholeness to you. Take seriously the words of life that I give to you, for those words have power to bring change and to bring transformation. My word is alive and it is active, and it will transform you from the inside out. Read my word, digest my word, make my word your home. I see someone who's writing computer code. They're writing things which is very complicated, very detailed, and where if you make one small error, one small change, it can cause the whole thing to falter. And the Lord says to you, I am the God who sees the details. I'm the God who takes care of every smallest detail. I know you through and through, and I understand how everything works. Don't be afraid, but trust me. Trust that I will bring forth the very best in your life. I will bring transformation, and I will bring healing. For where there have been misunderstandings, where there are things which have not been in alignment with my promises, I'm bringing change and I'm bringing renewal. I'm giving you greater clarity so that you can see as I see, so that you can see with the eyes of faith. Trust me that my truth is coming to bring freedom, to set you free. My truth is coming to bring order where there has been chaos. Know that I am with you and that I am releasing you from the chains of the past. I'm bringing all things into a place of order, bringing all things together for you. I see stormy waters which are becoming still. I see a river which is flowing through the rapids, and those waves, the water which is so churned up, suddenly comes to a place where it is still. And the Lord says to you, I'm bringing you into a place of encounter with me, a place of peace where the storms of life will suddenly be silenced and where you will know my presence that changes everything, my presence that makes a tangible difference. Enter my presence this day, receive anew my peace, receive my empowerment, for I am with you and I'm leading you forward. I'm leading you into the full life which is yours. I'm leading you into new experiences of my love. Draw near to me, for I'm bringing my peace to you. I'm stilling the waters. I'm stilling the storms. I see a beautiful road, a road which travels by the side of the ocean. All around there is beauty. All around there is a sense of wonder and awe. The Lord says to you, I'm taking you on my highway of peace. And I'm bringing you into new places of encounter, new experiences of my love. And with every twist and turn of this road, there will be new encounters and new experiences. There will be new things to behold. I'm with you and I am for you. I'm leading you forth into fullness of life. I'm leading you into new daily encounters of my love, new daily encounters of my spirit. Trust me, for I am with you. Trust me, for I am there by your side. I'm making all things new. Yes, truly I am. I'm bringing my presence. I'm bringing my peace to you. The Lord says those doors are not going to stay closed much longer. For when I decide that a door is opening, there is nothing and no one who can keep it closed. I'm opening the doors for you. I'm bringing liberty. I'm bringing freedom. Trust me that I am able, and that which I have promised I will do. Take me at my word. Take me at my word and do the very things which are needed. I see someone who is preparing for a journey. They know that this journey will happen. They put the clothes together, they pack the bags, they prepare everything ready for the journey. And the Lord says, in the same way, when I give you a promise, prepare yourself, get ready to receive it. Get ready for those doors to open, for yes, they will. That which I've promised is coming. Prepare yourself, get ready as an act of faith, as a sign of your faith, for that in itself will help to open the door. That faith being released will prepare the way before you. Know that I am with you and that I am opening those doors. I'm bringing about exactly what I've promised. I see someone looking at old photographs, historic photographs, and the Lord says, we're going to make history together. Together we're writing the story of your life. We're writing down that which will be history. It will be a story of my encounters with you, a story of how I have led you and how I have guided you. It will be a story of faith and of trust. It will be a story of hope renewed. I am with you, and together we are making history. Together we will do the impossible. Look at the lives of those who've gone before you. Study my word and see how I've worked in the lives of those who've gone before you, and know that I will do greater things in your life. Yes, I will lead you forward, and I will do more than you could have ever dreamed. I will do more than you could have ever expected. Come, let us write in the book of your life. Let us create history together. You know it's spring when the blossoms appear. Look around and see. I'm giving you signs of that new springtime. I'm giving you encounters of my heart, encounters of my love. And I'm giving you signs that change is here, that change is imminent. Look around and see. Transformation is coming. There is change in the air. It is tangible as the soft, warm spring air. Trust me and know that I am there, that I'm bringing transformation. I'm bringing change. For change is tangible. It is there in the air. I'm bringing that change. I'm bringing transformation to you.
Would you like a personal prophetic word? Check out the website in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to get your daily word of encouragement. And whilst you're here, why not have a look at some other of the videos that I've made? God bless you and have a really great day.